NIO stock was met with a cold October welcome, where its stock's performance exhibited fluctuations. Its stock's highest price for this month occurred on October 2nd, when it reached a high of $9. In contrast, the month's lowest opening price materialized on October 4th, with the stock kicking off at $8.51. Amid these variations, the stock managed to conclude the week on a somewhat stable note. On October 6th, it closed at a moderate price of $8.72. But it's important to note that NIO stock has been down 20.67% for the past 30 days. This begs us to question, what are NIO's plans for the long run? Today, we're going to look at NIO CEO William Li's interview at the Automobile World Congress, where he shared some jaw-dropping insights into NIO's incredible journey.
Actually, I already had the idea of starting up a smart EV company back in 2012. And actually before that, I have been a serial entrepreneur, and I have organized and started my very own internet companies and also automotive website companies. Since 2000, I have established one of the earliest automotive website companies in China called the BitAuto. And in 2012, actually, three things made me think about the necessity of starting up a smart EV company.
This interview uncovered some remarkable details about the rise of NIO and the electrifying secrets behind their electric vehicle dominance. Now, William Li first talked about the inception of his smart EV venture back in 2012. Before NIO, he had already established himself as a serial entrepreneur with a track record of founding internet companies and automotive websites dating back to 2000. Notably, he founded one of China's earliest automotive website companies, known as the BitAuto. In 2012, Li's decision to dive into the world of smart EVs was motivated by a combination of factors. Firstly, he was deeply concerned about the environmental challenges, particularly the severe air pollution in China at the time. Becoming a father intensified his commitment to addressing these issues. Secondly, Li recognized the potential of smart technologies and their synergy with electric vehicles. He saw an opportunity to merge these technologies to create innovative solutions. Lastly, he identified ways to better serve users and provide a superior customer experience. Li's vision for NIO was not solely about revolutionizing the automotive industry. He believed his envisioned changes would impact the broader energy and technology sectors. New opportunities emerged as technology advancements intersected with the need for sustainable transportation solutions. This insight drove Li to reshape and restructure the entire value chain, setting the stage for the emergence of smart electric vehicles. Despite the fierce competition in China's startup landscape, William Li observed that not all players were genuine contenders. He estimated that only around 20 to 30 startups were truly making substantial progress and producing tangible products. Established automotive giants like Geely and SAIC also ventured into the electric vehicle arena, establishing their own EV brands. Furthermore, tech giants like Xiaomi, Huawei, and Baidu entered the field, adding to the competitive landscape.
And actually for NIO, we do have our special competitive edge, and in this regard, I can recognize four as our main competitive advantage. The first is our chargeable, swappable, and upgradable power solution. This is actually a comprehensive and systematic solution we provide to our users, and of course, our power swap that can swap in a new battery in under 5 minutes.
Another thing William Li highlighted as a key advantage for NIO is their innovative power solution. NIO offers a comprehensive and systematic approach that includes chargeable, swappable, and upgradable power solutions. The standout feature is their power swap technology, allowing users to replace a battery in under 5 minutes. This technology has received recognition from the media, with NIO being hailed as one of the most innovative companies in the industry. It's a game changer that adds significant value and convenience for users. Moving on to NIO's second competitive edge, their smart technologies are taking the spotlight. The introduction of the NT 2.0 technology platform has revolutionized NIO's product offerings. Vehicles based on NT 2.0 boast impressive specifications, including over 1,000 TOPS of computing power, 33 high-performance sensing units, LiDAR, 8-megapixel cameras, and NOMI, the AI companion. NIO's relentless R&D efforts have resulted in over 4,000 smart technologies, enhancing the overall competitiveness of their products. The third competitive edge for NIO is its commitment to performance, mechanical excellence, and build quality. Notably, J.D. Power has recognized NIO cars for having some of the best quality among all smart electric vehicles. This recognition isn't just from satisfied users and the industry itself. NIO's dedication to delivering high-quality vehicles sets them apart. The fourth and final competitive advantage is NIO's unique concept of fostering user communities and being a user-centric enterprise. They aim to create a space where NIO users can share experiences, joy, and grow together with the brand. This community-centric approach allows NIO to provide a holistic end-to-end experience for their users, setting high standards across all aspects of their business. Now, as NIO expands into established markets like Germany and France, there's a question of whether they can compete with well-established automotive giants such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. While these companies have a significant market presence, NIO's success in Norway, where they became the best-selling 6- and 7-seat cars in the premium SUV segment within a year, provides confidence. NIO's products and services have been well received, not only by users but also by the market as a whole. NIO believes that offering quality services and products is universally appreciated, as European companies have demonstrated their popularity in the US, China, and Europe. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far.
In terms of our break-even target, we did have some communications with the capital market. And if you look at our gross margin improvement, you can find that we have realized over 20% as our gross margin for the vehicles. Of course, in the first half of this year, our margin and revenue were slightly affected by the rising raw material costs, mainly driven by the batteries. But with 20% gross margin, we already can manage to cover the SG&A, overheads, expenses. Then, the other side of the expenses will be the R&D activities. Actually, we have been showing strong commitments to improve our R&D and also making investment into our R&D activities. For the current year, we estimate that we will be investing over $1 billion into our R&D work, and this will continue to grow.
Moving into the financials, William Lee discussed NIO's break-even target and its gross margin. He mentioned that NIO had achieved a gross margin of over 20% for their vehicles in 2022. However, he acknowledged that rising raw material costs, particularly for batteries, had slightly impacted their revenue margin in the first half of last year. Despite this, the 20% gross margin allowed them to cover their SG&A, or selling, general, and administrative overhead expenses. Lee also talked about their strong commitment to research and development, or R&D. He stated that NIO was investing over 2 to 3 billion renminbi in R&D activities for the current year, with plans for continued growth. He emphasized that they believe the development of their sales volume and gross margin would outpace the growth of their R&D investment. He drew a comparison to Tesla, noting that it took Tesla 16 years to become profitable, but NIO aimed to achieve profitability more quickly. Regarding the comparison between himself and Elon Musk, Lee emphasized that they were different individuals leading different companies. While he respected Musk and Tesla, he highlighted NIO's focus on advancing technologies and serving users, positioning themselves as a user-centric enterprise. When asked about the possibility of NIO exploring hydrogen technology, Lee firmly stated their dedication to battery electric vehicles, or BEVs. He explained that they believed BEVs were the ultimate solution and that other intermediate technologies would complicate the system. Lee argued that BEVs provided the best platform for smart technologies and a superior user experience. Shifting to NIO's European product portfolio, Lee acknowledged the demand for smaller compact cars in European markets like France, Italy, and the UK. He revealed that NIO had plans to develop smaller and more compact vehicles to address this need. He mentioned they were studying user scenarios and use cases in these countries to tailor their offerings accordingly. So, just a quick recap. William Lee's interview revealed some key insights. He shared his journey from a serial entrepreneur to founding NIO, a smart EV company driven by concerns about environmental pollution and the emergence of smart technologies. He emphasized NIO's competitive edge in power solutions, smart technologies, quality, and its user-centric approach. Lee acknowledged the fierce competition in the Chinese startup landscape, with only a handful making significant strides. He highlighted the broader impact of smart EVs on the energy and technology sectors, emphasizing the need to reshape the value chain. In terms of NIO's European expansion, Lee expressed confidence in their ability to succeed, building on their accomplishments in Norway. He emphasized a focus on user satisfaction over specific sales targets. Lee dispelled the comparison to Elon Musk, emphasizing NIO's user-centered approach. Lastly, he affirmed NIO's commitment to battery electric vehicles as the ultimate solution. Stay tuned for more updates on NIO's innovations and achievements as they continue to shape the future of smart electric vehicles. So, are you excited to see how NIO will redefine the automotive industry? Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, I highly recommend watching this fantastic video if you want to know more about NIO and its potential stock rebound. Just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.